that the fraction we see in English language is not the fraction in mathematics. Otherwise, we're going to prove them wrong in one way or the other. Now, I'm going to make things clearer to you. Now, the fraction. We have three types of fraction. We were given three types of fraction. And I'm going to give you a definition of my fraction. Meshmas will give you our own definition of what fraction is all about. Fraction is defined in Meshmas in two ways, based on their characteristic features. We are going to show you. I will show you that. Now, what is fraction? In Meshmas, fraction is a story building type of number. I repeat, fraction in mathematics is a story building kind of number, a number like a story building. That is fraction. Number two, what is fraction in Meshmas? Another definition. Fraction is a number like a man carrying a load on the rag on his head. Again, fraction 2, the definition 2. We're having definition 1 and definition 2. Okay? Now, fraction is a number like a man carrying a load on a rag on his head. And we're going to practicalize everything. Okay? Now, I will begin from that 2. The definition of number 2. I have definition of number 1. What is fraction? Fraction is like a story building type of number. Number like a story building. You just see a number, it just look like a story building. People stay up and people stay down. Just see a number like that. It's fraction in terms of when it comes to mathematics. But then, I know someone will go to prove me wrong. But let us go. We shall see what I'm trying to prove to you. Okay? Now, because I don't believe that one say fraction is a number less than 1. I dispute that. And I say no to you when it comes to mathematics. Now, I continue by telling you like fraction is like a man carrying a load on the rag on his head. Number 1, I want to practicalize it. Look at it. This is a rag. I have a rag. So I have a load to carry. I have a load to carry. Let me quickly, I have a load here. I have a football. I have football to carry. Okay. Look at this rag. I'll put this rag on my head. I remember those days when in the village, when we go to river, we have rag, we even fold it, okay? And we'll put it on our head first of all. Then, please, can you get me this bag? Just give me that bag, not that one. Yes. Now, I want to carry a load. Watch and see. I want to carry a load. Now, I'm putting this load. I want to carry this. You can see this load. This load I'm carrying is on the rag. So the load I'm carrying is called numerator. There is something separating both of us. I am carrying a load, but there's a dividing line that divides us. That is why it's used to show a sign of division, separating us together. Otherwise, we're supposed to mix together. So, that which separates us is what makes the difference. Okay? So, what I'm carrying is called numerator. And what I myself is called denominator. So, a fraction is that which has what? Numerator and denominator, according to the general definition. If you have so, it means it's like a story building kind of number. Yes, you cannot get the numerator and denominator if the structure is not like a story building. Then if we should accept the fact that it's just a number less than 1, let us go. So if you look at this fraction, the rule of this fraction or rule of this game is, on no account will you carry a load that is equal to your weight. Otherwise, it will going to produce negative result in your life. It will affect your life. Now, that is the teaching there. Now, this load I'm carrying, between me and this load, which one do you think is heaviest? Which one has higher weight? This one is very light to me to carry. So my weight is higher than the weight of this bag. Are you following? So I can carry this load and it will not do me any harm. Is that not true? Yes. A man must carry a load. It's not a bad thing. Then I can take this load, which means normal. It is okay. It's advisable to carry it. It's not a problem. Because of that, it's a normal thing. It is called normal fraction. It's called what? Proper fraction. That's why it's proper. It's okay. That's what we call what? Proper fraction. It's advisable. So there's no problem here. Because yes, your weight is higher than the load you're carrying. So the load you're carrying is smaller. So there's no way it's going to give you any negative impulse. So there's no problem. So in that situation, that is where we have 3 types of fraction. I want to quickly define. We are going to these 3 types of fraction. So the 3 types of fractions. That's what I'm giving now. Okay. Number 1 is the proper fractions. So example of that: 1/2, 3/4, 8/25, 9/11, etc. So if you look at that, it is called, and the one on top is always smaller, so it's allowed, it's proper, it's okay. It does not cause, there's no alarm there, no cause of alarm. So then, but then there will be another one, a situation whereby you discover that someone was carrying a load so big, so high. You find a child. I'm going to give you an illustration. Okay, permit me to remove this. I am done with this. So I'm going to give you an illustration of a child. Should I tell the story, or I should just leave it and look into what happens? Let's look at this. You find someone in a situation where you are carrying a load that is higher than your weight. Like, for instance, I've seen some men offloading cement. Some of them were very just tiny and slimy. Maybe the weight of the person could be around 60 or thereabout. Then the guy came and picked from the trailer and picked one. That's how many? 50 kg. Remaining 10 to be equal to his weight. For instance, he's 60. Before you know it, the guy carried another one again. That's 100. And his own weight is just 60. Then you could even see one haven't carried that, you now carry another one. Yeah. Remember, all the forces are acting on the legs. Some carry 150. That guy wants to die soon. The guy wants to die soon. And you wouldn't know, you will be thinking he's a stronger person. That is one of the most dangerous things in life. For you to carry anything that is higher than your weight, you think you're enjoying. You think you're a big strong man. You are killing yourself small. Because the law has proven that you should not, on no account, should you carry anything that is equal to your weight. In fact, it was written that once it is equal to your weight, drop it. We're going to see that. Let's see if it is true. Once it's equal to your weight, keep it on ground, don't carry it. Let's look at this. For instance, we want to look at a situation like this. A case like 7/2. Okay. Let's look at okay, let's use this 7/2 for instance. Look at this person. What is the weight of this person? Just two. And he's carrying something, just like that guy that carrying that 3 bags of cement. Or do you think we should, let's use that guy's this thing to prove. Let's see what the guy did. That guy that was using 60, you just, his own weight is 60, but he's carrying 150. Is